In this lecture, we will know how to calculate the percentage change. So here from January to February to March, we have seen the year-to-date change, profit and profit from different months. So if we want to know the percentage change of the profit, how much the percentage changes, then we have to calculate from different figures. So in many times you have to calculate the percentage change of the profit. So if we want to know the how much the profit changes, so we have to calculate from these three figures, from profit figures. So the profit for January was this figure, profit for February was that figure. So if we calculate that, the percentage change, the equal, and then we have to subtract from just here. Then you click on the cell F19, then minus this cell is E19, then close the bracket. Always remember that whenever you work in these way, like calculating percentage change and where there are more than one calculations is involved, it's very important to put the bracket or parenthesis. So here after that you have to divide it by E19. So divide it by E19, then you can see the percentage here is the minus 0.882. So after that, here you put on the under the home menu, you can find the percentage icon, so you click on that. So the profit falls to minus 88%. So here, if you want to know the percentage change in March, then just go to the bottom right here corner. After showing the small plus, just drag it here, and then you can see the percentage changes. Very sorry for my low pace for this lecture. So let's go to the next lecture.